Hey everybody, we're at Grunkle Billy's house, and I want to do some powder coating. I don't know if you guys saw the last time I did it, but I got one small piece that I want to do for the headlight. It's the headlight bracket. So I figured while we're here, might as well start my shaker and the Asian Ranger. And it's been a while. I think last time I drove this was like October, something like that. I can't remember. So let me get the cover off, and we'll start her up. And oh yeah, it was last year. There was a really bad storm, and the carport came down, and it left a dent on my back sail panel. So I'll show you that too. Hang on a second. Oh, the battery's still alive. That's good. All right, there we go. Sick. Let's take you over there. I'll show you the damage. We had a really high windstorm like last year, and remember that was over here. Now you can see, let me wipe this off. You see that? It came down right here. It hit me. It hit right here. It's kind of left a scrape. It's not awful. I'm hoping maybe we can do some PDR and get that out. You know, come in from the inside, and maybe they can work some magic over here. I don't know. Either way, kind of sucks, but what are you gonna do? So we'll let that warm up. And the Asian Ranger, you guys remember this? Let's see, I got the key here. It's this one. Figured while we're here, mazel. Man, Trevor's truck is clean. This is a 99, remember? Okay. Oh, there's no battery in here. He must have disconnected the battery. Well, sucks for him. I guess we're not starting that. Oh well. You can mess with that later. But man, she's a beaut, Clark. I gotta update the reg, and then I can start driving this again too. You know, I usually like leave the truck here and rock this for a week or so. All my tools are in the truck. So, you guys ever seen the interior of my car? Oh, get out of there. Copyright. All right, we'll let that run for a little while, and then I'll shut it off, and we'll come back and start setting up the powder coater. All right, let's turn this thing off and get it covered back up so I can powder coat. All right, there we go. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is hit this with a roll lock. Get some of the junk off of here. Now there's a little bit of rust. Yeah, there's just some kind of coating that they put on there. This isn't powder coat or paint or anything. I don't know what this is. All right, this is pretty good. I'm gonna take some acetone. We're gonna clean this off. Microfiber towel. There we go. You always want your parts nice and clean before you powder coat them. Now, we will. Hey.
That's cool.
All right, so you can see here's my little makeshift, some kind of convection oven. And we're gonna leave it where it's at, and we're gonna turn the temp to 400. We're gonna preheat this guy, cook out any of the garbage in there. Is that a light? Oh, that's a light. All right, so we'll I'll set it to 30, and we'll let this thing warm up. It's what they call hot flocking. Well, the powder seems to stick better to it when it's just a little bit warm. Actually, I don't think I put it to 400. I think we put it to like 300. Somewhere in there, 300. All right, so then here I just got a ladder and a rack, right? We got our negative hooked up, and this is the Vevor gun. I had the Eastwood one, it kind of sucked. So I got the Vevor one. This one's better because it's got the powder on top, and it's got a foot switch, and we got an air supply. I think what I have this set to, it only takes about 7 psi of air outlet. Yeah, it's like a little much. It'll be all right. I've done it before. So we're gonna let this warm up, and I'll come back when it's done, and then we'll start spraying. Hang on. Hey guys, while you're working outside, make sure you grab yourself a nice cold Coors Banquet while we wait for that to heat up. All right guys, so let's get this out of the oven. Been preheating. And why did I do it like this? Okay. All right. I know why I did it, because it was too tough. Here we go. And then we're gonna get that right like that. And then I think, just for shits and giggles, we're gonna put it right on the part, if I can get it to stay out of the way. Okay, we got our gun. I already checked to make sure that we had, whoa! I already checked to make sure that we had pressure and everything in our pump. Yeah, kind of, shit. It's fine. I did clean up in this area so that it could get aground. All right, you guys ready? Here we go. Ooh. Is it sticking? All right, there we go.
Better.
It doesn't take much air pressure. Okay. All right. All right. Now I'm gonna push that back in there. We're gonna close this, and we're gonna come up to 400. Oh, we're already okay. Yeah, we're gonna turn this up to 400, which is here. Right there-ish. Oh, easy. All right, and now I found that it's about 10 minutes or so. We're gonna go like 15-ish. This might be, I think this is matte. So in fact, once it's done, it's kind of cool. Like you'll see it matte. Well, I hot flocked it, so it's kind of shiny, but you'll see all of a sudden it'll go matte. It's really cool. I did it on my clutch lever. So we'll bring you back when this thing's done and you can see the finished product. We'll be right back. All right, you can see we're, I don't know, 5 minutes in. You see how shiny it is?
Not from here, but I've seen it before.
Yeah. Thanks, Billy.
Yeah, I can't see it from here.
Oh, can't see it from your house.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's cooking nicely. I will keep monitoring it and bring you back. Oh, guys, it went matte. So we're gonna go ahead and turn the heat off, the timer, and we're gonna let it cool down, and then we're gonna pull it out and see how it looks. Damn, that happened quick. You know, it's funny. It's like 10-15 minutes. All of a sudden, it goes from shiny to not shiny for the matte powder. So We'll bring you back when it's cold enough to handle. All right, so we threw a battery charger on the Asian Ranger because I think it's
just for Trevor?
Yes.
So you come and watch this, and I'm going to hit it with the key.
Yeah.
Because it's not reading, which means it thinks it's charged.
I mean, as long as it starts, I guess.
As soon as we hit it with the key,
we're going to find out.
Yeah.
Just clicking?
Not turning over.
Ah.
Charging.
Charging 12 volts. 70%.
Oh, it's going up, so it's got to go to 100. Okay.
Right. Well, we'll try again.
Yeah.
All right, guys, let's see if this is cool enough for me to touch now. Well, at least I'm holding it by the rod and I got gloves on it, so should be all right. Oh, I'm not doing this again where I bent it in half. It's because it was too long.
It's too hot to touch?
Yes and no. Well, yeah. With my glove on, it's not bad.
Yeah, it's too hot to hold.
It's still a little too hot to hold. And I like that this one came with 2 cups. As I said, so you didn't necessarily have to clean it out.
Clean it out every time, yeah.
Every time. All right, guys. Look at this. Like, how good did that turn out? You see that? Like, covered everywhere. I mean, you can see it. And this setup only cost me, I think the Vevor PowderCoat gun was like $100 or something like that. And the oven was like $80. And compressor was free. Well, borrowing it, of course. And that's about it. You can see, I mean, look at these results. This doesn't lie. Like, this is, you saw what it was before. This turned out real nice.
You can get a pancake compressor cheap.
Yeah, you could probably get a pancake compressor at the pawn shop.
Yeah, so still
Crackhead special.
100, 300 for your setup.
Oh, exactly. Yeah, and you can make parts like this. All right, guys, so you can see that's it. I mean, it took us like half an hour to set this up, get it sprayed, get it heated up, and in the end, we got a finished part. So now I got some brand new nuts and bolts and screws, so I can put this back on, and that's it. You can see it's super simple. I'll leave a couple of links, like to the Vevor powder coating gun and to this little oven. And in fact, I got a bunch of powders off of Amazon. They were cheap, like the ones I did my calipers with. That was like, they were like $15 a little bottle. And the black matte, I believe I got from Harbor Freight. I either got it from Harbor Freight or Amazon, but I'll leave some links. Anyways, we'll see you in the next one. Did a little bit more work on the Harley. So this weekend's pretty much shot. It's cold. It'll be a little bit warmer tomorrow, but I'm not sure if I'm going to the storage space tomorrow. Anyways, I'm rambling. We'll see you on the next one. Easy. I found the bottle. It turns out this is Eastwood HotCoat. And this is the, oh, somebody's ripping it. This is, does it say matte on it somewhere? This is the matte black. I don't know where it says it, but that's what I used for use with Eastwood powder coating systems. Oh no, what am I gonna do? All right, guys, that's it. Oh, I want to tell you guys, you saw how good that turned out, and you want to know what? I didn't even turn on the high voltage. In powder coat, that's the magic of hot flocking. You can see it was hot. We sprayed it on there. It stuck, and that was it. And once a little bit stuck, more stuck. So, but yeah, don't be a dupayasha like me and turn on your high voltage and step on the foot switch. But you can see it turned out pretty good. So I'm not too upset. All right, guys, we'll see ya. Easy. All right, we're back up to, what is this, 89%? You can't really see it. There. Yeah, it's at 89. We'll see if it starts now. I don't know if it's going to start. It needs more trickling. Billy's going to try it again. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Nope, nothing.
Nothing. Damn it.
Do I have to press the brake pedal?
No,
Is it
not
one of those vehicles?
No, it's a 99.
Okay.
Nope. No integrated safety brake on there. This is a real American car.
It's a Mazda.
It's mostly a Ford Ranger, which makes it American.
Yeah, a Mazda.
A Mazda. All right, it says it's fully charged. It claims fully charged. Yeah, you can't screen refresh rate. Let's see what happens. Billy's gonna give it the beans. Oh. Well, just leave it. Now it needs to be jumped.
Yeah.
But
We're not going to jump it today.
no.